I'm Gia, the data scientist at Ideal. Ideal is AI for recruiting software that automates time-consuming tasks such as sourcing, screening, and messaging. As a data scientist, AI is so interesting to me because I can look at the numbers and see how much time an employer saves during their hiring process, for example. Sourcing legend Glenn Cathy calls it the #1 mistake in recruiting, the failure to re-examine existing resumes in your ATS. This is called candidate rediscovery, the ability to screen your ATS resume database for candidates that applied to a previous job at your company for a current open rec. Over the years, companies will collect thousands, even millions of resumes. But once these resumes go into your ATS, most of them are never looked at again. A Career Builder survey found the biggest complaint employers have about recruiters is the failure to look at candidates in their own database. This complaint is a bit unfair when you consider that a typical ATS just wasn't designed to have this type of internal search functionality. The ATS has been amazing for recruiting. 94% of companies who use one say it's improved their hiring process. However, the ATS has a major limitation. It doesn't allow you to search your existing resumes quickly, easily, and accurately. Although most ATSs allow you to do keyword searches and Boolean searches, they have a couple major flaws. So #1, false positives. Finding candidates who aren't actually the most qualified, but who appear to be so due to keyword stuffing on their resumes. #2, false negatives. Not finding candidates with the right qualifications due to overly specific searches and keywords. Candidate rediscovery is different because it uses AI. It works with 5 steps. First, it integrates with your ATS to add a layer of internal search functionality. Second, it scans your job descriptions to learn what the requirements are. Third, it scans your existing ATS resumes by looking for candidates with those qualifications. Fourth, it can do a public search of those candidates and refresh those resumes if necessary. And fifth, it then ranks and shortlists the best candidates from A to D. Candidate rediscovery allows recruiters to find candidates that are already in their existing ATS, which will help save them thousands of dollars in recruiting spend for candidate acquisition. A famous study found that the average recruiter spends about 6 seconds scanning a resume. That's about the same amount of time that Matt Charney recommends, which is 8 seconds a resume. But no matter how efficient you are at reading resumes, inevitably there's going to be some candidates that slip through the cracks. According to LinkedIn, only 36% of candidates actively search for a new job. That means an average job posting is only attracting about 1/3 of the potential candidate pool that might have applied to your job. Candidate rediscovery allows recruiters to tap into a passive candidate pool that's already at your fingertips. What do you think about candidate rediscovery? Let me know in the comments, and be sure to subscribe to Ideal's video series.